Welcome to M2 Host. Do you facing problem to log into your WordPress dashboard because you had forgotten the password? Then relax, you just have to change password from the PhpMyAdmin. But is it difficult? Then answer is no. Today we will learn how to change the WordPress admin password from the PhpMyAdmin. First logged into your cPanel. Then look for Database section. Then click on the PhpMyAdmin. Select the WordPress database. Under the table column, select WP users. Locate the user whose password you want to change and click Edit. Under Values section of User Password, enter new password. Under Function, select MD5 from the drop-down menu next to User Pass. Click Go to save your changes. Now retry to log into your WordPress dashboard. You have successfully changed the WordPress admin password from the PhpMyAdmin. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates.